Hello, I'm Rosemarie Heath. Welcome to another reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Please join us every morning at 5 o'clock Jamaican time when we will share another posting. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave us a comment. See you.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Me go read from Luke chapter 12, verse 54 to 56. Jesus tell the crowd say, as uno see cloud a come cross from the west, uno say, rain a go fall, and rain fall for true. Anytime the south breeze a blow, uno say, it a go hot, and it hot. Hypocrite. Uno can tell the weather when uno look pan what go on round uno, and when uno look up in the sky. But how come uno can't understand what go on in this your time ya? A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.